Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to clear Steam's corrupted download cache. A corrupted download cache in Steam can cause a variety of problems, including failed downloads, update errors, installation issues, slow downloads, and games that refuse to launch properly. Steam relies on temporary download data to manage game installations and updates, but if that data becomes damaged, it can interfere with normal operation. Fortunately, Steam includes built-in tools that can help identify and repair corrupted files before you clear the download cache entirely. When you first open Steam, begin by checking whether the issue is limited to a specific game. Navigate to your library and locate the game that is experiencing problems. Right-click the game and select Properties. This opens the game's settings window. Next, navigate to Installed Files. Within this section, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the installed files and compare them against the official files stored on Steam servers. If any files are missing, damaged, or corrupted, Steam will automatically download replacements. This process is often the quickest way to resolve issues because it targets only the affected game rather than resetting Steam's entire download system. Allow the verification process to finish completely. Once it is done, test the game or retry the update. In many cases, Steam will successfully repair corrupted files during this step, eliminating the need for further troubleshooting. If the problem persists after verifying the game files, the next step is to clear Steam's download cache. Click the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then navigate to Downloads. Within the Download section, locate Clear Download Cache and click it. The download cache contains temporary information used by Steam to manage downloads, updates, and server communication. If this data becomes corrupted, Steam may continue encountering errors even after game files have been repaired. When you select Clear Download Cache, Steam will display a confirmation message. Click Confirm. Steam will then restart automatically. After the restart, you may be asked to sign back into your account. Once logged in, Steam will create a fresh download cache and establish new download connections to its content servers. At this point, test the affected game, update, or download again to see whether the issue has been resolved. It is important to understand that verifying game files and clearing the download cache solve different problems. Verify integrity of game files checks the files belonging to a specific game. Clear download cache refreshes Steam's entire download system and temporary download data. Because of this, it is usually best to verify the game files first before clearing the cache. To summarize, clearing Steam's corrupted download cache begins by opening the affected game's Properties window, navigating to Installed Files, and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. This allows Steam to scan for and repair corrupted game files. If the issue remains, open Steam, Settings, Downloads, select Clear Download Cache, and confirm the restart. These steps help repair damaged game files and refresh Steam's download system, resolving many common download and installation problems. And that's how to clear Steam's corrupted download cache. By first verifying the integrity of your game files and then clearing Steam's download cache if necessary, you can resolve many issues related to corrupted downloads, failed updates, and installation errors without needing to reinstall Steam itself. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.